Hey there, garden enthusiasts and lawn care aficionados. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to the Landzie spreader with upgraded side clasps. This top-of-line peat moss spreader is the ultimate tool for achieving the lawn of your dreams. Picture this a lush, professional-looking green lawn that is the envy of the entire neighborhood. With the Landzie spreader, this dream is well within your reach. Whether you're looking to plant, feed, or weed your lawn, flowers, plants, or garden, this versatile tool has got you covered. From compost to topsoil, manure to mulch, the Landzie spreader can handle it all with ease. One of the standout features of this spreader is its 44 mesh basket, which is designed to ensure consistent and uniform distribution of top-dressing material. Whether you prefer to push it as a walk-behind spreader or tow it with a tractor or lawn mower, the Landzie spreader is engineered for maximum efficiency and ease of use. Plus, the comfort grip handles and long clip-in pole handle make lawn care an absolute breeze. Not only does the Landzie spreader make lawn care a joy, but it also saves you both time and money. Say goodbye to the days of spreading top dressing with a shovel and hello to a more efficient and effective method. By using the Landzie spreader, you can drastically reduce waste and save money on bulk purchases of peat moss or other materials. It's a win-win situation, but that's not all. This revolutionary tool also breaks up clumpy materials and separates waste, making the spreading process cleaner and more efficient than ever before. With its double locking clasps and secure mesh basket, you can rest assured that your materials will stay contained and distributed exactly as intended. And here's the best part: when you purchase the Landzie spreader, you can do so with complete confidence. We stand behind our product 100, and our guarantee ensures that your satisfaction is our top priority. When you buy from Landzie, you're not just getting a top-quality product, you're getting peace of mind. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Landzie spreader with upgraded side clasps today and take the first step towards achieving the lawn of your dreams. Your lawn will thank you, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Happy gardening!